Hello students. You have been learning about the process of digestion in your previous classes. Today, let's have a detailed look at the human digestive system, its parts and functions. Human digestive system and nutrition involve the intake of food by an organism and its utilization for energy. This is a vital process which helps living beings to obtain their energy from various sources. The food which we eat undergoes much processing before the nutrients present in them are utilized to generate energy. This processing is known as digestion. Humans and other animals have specialized organs and system for this process. The digestive system of human body comprises of a group of organs that work together in converting food into energy and other basic nutrients to power the body. The food we take in is digested and utilized by our body, and the unused parts of the food are defecated. The digestive system of the human body is a sum of gastrointestinal tract, also called as alimentary canal, and accessory organs like tongue, liver, pancreas, etc. These two parts together help in the digestion process. The alimentary canal is a long tube through which the food that we eat is passed. It begins at the mouth, passes through the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestines, rectum, and finally ends at the anus. The food particles get digested as they travel through various compartments of the alimentary canal. Accessory organs are organs that participate in the digestion process but are not actually a part of gastrointestinal tract. They stimulate the digestion by releasing certain enzymes that help in breaking down the food. Food starts its journey from the mouth. There are many other organs that contribute to the digestion process, including teeth, salivary glands, and tongue. Teeth are designed for grinding food particles into small pieces and are moistened with saliva before the tongue pushes the food into esophagus. Saliva is secreted by the salivary glands. It contains an enzyme called salivary amylase. This enzyme breaks down the starch present in the food into simple carbohydrates. Food is then pushed by the tongue into the food pipe. This food reaches the stomach through the food pipe, and the food pipe is also called as esophagus. The muscles of the esophagus contract and relax, causing a wave-like motion that propels the food down to the stomach. This movement is called as peristalsis. Now the food reaches into the stomach. It serves as a muscular bag which is situated towards the left side of the abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm. This vital organ acts as a storage for the food and provides enough time to digest meals. The stomach also produces digestive enzymes and hydrochloric acids that maintain the process of digestion. These digestive enzymes are a group of enzymes which function by breaking down the polymeric macromolecules into smaller and simpler substances, and hydrochloric acid is a digestive fluid formed by the stomach during the process of digestion. It functions by destroying harmful microorganisms present in the food particles. An accessory organ called liver is a roughly triangular, reddish brown accessory organ of the digestive system located at the right of the stomach. It produces bile, which helps in the digestion of fat in the small intestine. The bile is stored and recycled in gallbladder. It's a small, pear-shaped organ which is located just next to the liver. Pancreas is a large gland present just behind the stomach. It is a short with its interior connected to the duodenum and posterior pointing towards the left part of the abdominal cavity. The pancreas releases digestive enzymes to complete the process of chemical digestion. Now, as the food reaches the small intestine, which is a thin, long tube of about 10 feet long and a part of lower gastrointestinal tract, it's present just behind the stomach and acquires a maximum area of the abdominal cavity. The complete small intestine is coiled and inner surface consists of folds and ridges. After complete digestion, the soluble food gets absorbed in the small intestine through minute finger-like projections called villi, present on the inner lining of the small intestine. These villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. The villi have blood capillaries through which it passes the absorbed food. The food carried to each part of the body for further utilization and storage. When the food is completely digested, the complex food components such as starch, fats and proteins are broken down into glucose, fatty acids and amino acids. Blood capillaries in the villi absorb these simpler substances. The absorbed nutrients are then carried to different parts of the body through the circulatory system. Glucose is utilized to release energy by combining with oxygen inhaled through the respiratory system. Fatty acids and glycerol are stored under the body, under the skin as energy reserves. Amino acids are utilized in growth and repair of the body. The indigestible and unabsorbed food is passed into the large intestine, which is a thick long tube measuring about 5 feet in length. It's present just beneath the stomach and wraps over the superior and lateral edges of the small intestine. It absorbs water and consists of bacteria that support in the breakdown of wastes to fetch small nutrients. Waste products are passed into the end of the large intestine called the rectum and eliminated out of the body as a solid matter called stool. It is stored in the rectum as semi-solid feces, which later exists from the body through the anal canal through the process of defecation. Thank you.